Subscribe to OZiva TV and hit the bell icon for more updates on fitness, nutrition and wellness.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our OZiva TV for the day 2 of our 14-day fitness challenge. So my name is Miten and I'm going to be your fitness coach along with Kunakshi for the next 13 more days. I hope you guys are as pumped up as we are because we have an amazing and exciting journey lined up ahead. So welcome to day 2, guys. We are going to be doing a lower body circuit today consisting of 4 exercises: high knees, squats, lunges and jumping jacks. The time period for these exercises, you will see them as we go along. Alright everyone, let's get in position for the first exercise, which is high knees. We do this exercise for 30 seconds followed by a rest of 20 seconds. Alright, everyone ready? In position and 3, 2, 1, let's go. 30 seconds of high knees. Pace yourself. Make sure you do this exercise for 30 seconds non-stop. Do not stop in between. Keep pushing. We're almost there. Nice one,
I'm doing a modified version of this exercise. Try to tap your knee and lift from your abs.
Almost there, guys. Come on. Keep pushing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Let's rest for 20 seconds and then we start with the next exercise, which are your squats. Okay, next exercise, squats for 30 seconds. Let's go in 3, 2, 1 and go.
I'm using a chair and I'm going to come up. So my range is about the chair.
So if you think that you're getting a discomfort in your knees, then follow what Kunakshi is doing, where you simply place a chair behind you, touch your bum to the chair and get back up. But if you think you can do a squat without compromising the form, then please make sure you get a full range squat. Alright, in 3, 2, 1 and relax. Let's rest for 20 seconds, then we move on to the next exercise, which is your
lunges.
That's right. Alright guys, let's take position for lunges. I'm going to be doing forward lunges. Kunakshi is going to be doing reverse lunges with a support. Okay, so 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Make sure you alter your feet with every rep. And if you're doing with a support, you can simply perform static lunges.
Try to use the back of your leg to lift up. Do not lean forward or backwards. You're sandwiched between 2 glass pieces and you're coming up.
Come on guys, last 5 seconds. And relax. Super, good job. We rest for 20 seconds and then we start with the final exercise for the first round, which is coming up next, called
the jumping jacks.
That's right. Okay guys, in position for jumping jacks, we go in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. 30 seconds, that's it. Pace yourself, do not be in a rush. Control this movement, control your rhythm. You have to do this exercise for 30 seconds non-stop. I don't want to see any one of you stopping. Keep pushing guys, nice one. And if you think this is tough, follow what Kunakshi is doing, which is a much simpler variation, but I'm sure you can push yourself. So no stopping, keep pushing. Last 5 seconds, come on guys. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Let's rest for 60 seconds and then we'll start with the round 2 of the same exercises. Alright guys, we're at the end of our rest of 60 seconds. We get in position for high knees. Everyone ready? And let's go in 3, 2, 1. High knees for 30 seconds. Let's go.
Tap, tap, tap.
Don't stop. You can slow down, but you cannot stop. Keep pushing guys. Almost there. We got this. Let that knee come all the way up. No half reps over here. You can slow down, but no stopping. Last 5 seconds. Come on, push it. And relax. Let's rest for 15 seconds this time. Move on to the next exercise, which are your squats. And we do them for 30 seconds again. Alright guys, let's get ready for squats in 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Try to push your hip back, sit on the seat and come up.
If you're doing a full range, go all the way down, all the way up. No half reps if you're not using a box or a chair.
And if you're tired, you can slow your pace down, but do not give up.
Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So keep pushing guys, no stopping. Last few seconds remaining.
Energy guys, come on, give it
And
your best.
relax. Let's rest for 15 seconds. We move on to the next exercise, which are your lunges. Okay everyone, let's get in position for your lunges. We all start together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Make sure you go all the way down and back up. Go down, use your front foot to push into the floor and raise yourself up. If you're doing what Kunakshi is doing, then follow what she said in the previous set, that you use your back foot to push yourself up. Remember guys, take your pace, find your rhythm, but do not stop. We are almost there. Last 5 seconds. Come on, keep pushing. And relax. Rest for another 15 seconds, and then we move on to the final exercise of this round, which are your jumping jacks. Okay, so let's get positioned guys. We start our jumping jacks, final exercise of this round in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Get those cheerleaders' arms out and go.
Remember to have a big smile on your face. I know you can push it.
If you want to challenge yourself, follow Miten.
And if you think that this is getting tough, follow what Kunakshi is doing. Almost there guys, come on, keep pushing, no stopping. Last 5, easy, 3, 2, 1, and relax.
Done.
Let's rest for 60 seconds and then move on to the final round of this exercise.
So guys, this is the last set. Let's make the most of it. Miten, we need a lot of energy out here.
Definitely, we got more energy, and to help you motivate further, this last round, we're going to be doing each exercise only for 20 seconds. Alright, so everyone ready, in position, and 3, 2, 1, let's go with high knees. 20 seconds and that's it. Come on guys, don't give up. Push yourself, pace yourself, bring that knee up. You can even do it the way Kunakshi is doing it, but don't stop. Come on, last 5 seconds. You got this.
Yes, come on, tap higher, 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 higher.
And relax. Let's rest for about 15 seconds and then we move on to the next exercise, which are your squats, again for 20 seconds only. Alright guys, everyone, let's get in position. 20 seconds of squat. We go in 3, 2, 1 and let's go. 20 seconds, that's it. Pace yourself, come on, push yourself, challenge yourself. This is only the second day of our 14-day challenge. I don't want to be seeing any quitters just yet. You got this, fam. Come on, keep pushing.
Press
Last
your
5
heels
seconds.
firmly onto the ground and lift up.
And relax. 15 seconds pause. We start with lunges after that. Alright guys, let's get in position for lunges. We start in 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds lunges. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, keep pushing. Easy, nice and slow, good rhythm, good pace. We're not doing it for 30 seconds, only 20 seconds. We are almost there. Last 5 seconds. Come on, push it guys. 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Nice one. Let's rest for about 15 seconds. We move on to the last exercise, jumping jacks. Alright guys, like I said, 30 seconds of jumping jacks. We go in 3, 2, 1 and push it. Go, 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 go. Come on, last set.
I'm
It's
adding
easy.
a little speed out here in the last set, giving it my best and burning those calories.
If you think you can't do it at speed, it's okay. Slow down, but don't stop. We don't stop till the timer runs out. Last few seconds remaining. Come on guys, push it. It's easy. You got this. And last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and we are done. Nice job Kunakshi. Nice job you guys. With that, we're at the end of day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. So thank you so much guys for tuning into this video. I hope you guys had as much fun as we did. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the OZiva TV YouTube channel. And let us know if you have any queries in the comments below.
Guys, stay hydrated, sleep well, and please move. Movement is medicine. That's going to keep you up.
That's right guys, make sure you stay hydrated, sleep well, nourish yourself well, eat healthy food, stay happy, stay safe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.